What is going on? Hey, what's going on?
Huh?
What's going on? Is this it's an open house?
Yeah, we're doing open house.
This house looks
I can't hear you. You can come on this side.
this house looks abandoned.
Where?
This house is an open house today.
No, we're doing the open house.
Today.
Yeah, from 2 to 4. You're on the road. Are you coming? Are you here for the open house?
I just wanted to see what was going on. This house looks abandoned.
No, it's not abandoned. It's uninhabited. So by the time that's why I have this crowbar. I will open it so that people can be able to. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5. So it has crawl space also. It's very good. It's a starter home for starter family. So if you want, you can park. We're about to open in like 20 minutes. You're early. Did you see my ads on Facebook and all these places?
No, I was just driving by.
Oh, you're just driving. Oh, that's how a lot of my clients see me also. So we're about to start. Just park, cause sorry, I'm going to. Are you interested in real estate?
I mean, I am, but how is this an open house? Look at this.
I'm about to open. It's currently closed, but once I open it, it become an open house. That's the point now.
Who's gonna buy this house looking like this?
If you don't want to buy, just say you don't be questioning me. Please go continue where you're going.
What? Huh? You can't be serious right now. Sir, how are you gonna open the door? There's no door.
Madam, is it your property? Is it your house? You're just driving and it's not your house. You don't want to buy it. You're here asking me all these questions. Why are you asking me?
Everything is boarded up. I don't think that this house is going to be ready.
So what? I will open it.
No one's going to buy this looking like
Please be going. Please reverse and go this side. What? This is private property. You're trespassing. Please go. It's people like you that
you're trespassing at an open house. This is not even a real open house. Whose house?
I'm the agent. I'm selling it.
You can't be.
Please go. Back off.
I will. Fine.
Back off that side.